Cardano really is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that in every practical sense has a for the most part present worth of $0.584003 and a market capitalization of $20,665,357,728 in an unpretentious manner. Digital currencies explicitly have sort of lengthy past a reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in an unobtrusive way. These days, it's a resource class that certainly is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, which is genuinely critical. Some huge venture banks even sort of get Cardano and by and large other digital forms of money altogether to sort of safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors, or so they for the most part thought. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ADA market that for the most part depend on the readings of our especially remarkable crypto unpredictability record that certainly assists us with checking the market feeling and in every practical sense, expect where in which the market plans to go explicitly. At this point, the cost of Cardano is $0.584003, while the coin right now generally winds up at 8th spot in the genuinely by and large positioning, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The said positioning sort of is assessed based on the resources by and large present value that in every practical sense is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that really is applied all through every monetary market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients really get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. It's likewise vital to sort of consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, which fundamentally shows that Cardano in a real sense is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that basically has an all things considered present worth of $0.584003 and a market capitalization of $20,665,357,728 in a huge manner. On January 10th, the cost of Cardano generally was at $0.511038 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change basically added up to 13.86%, which truly is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on January 4th, ADA essentially was esteemed at $0.557233, which really intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has in every practical sense vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on December 11th, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.550322. Hence, the coin basically has taken a 6.12% action to arrive at its sort of present standings in a sort of significant manner, as a matter of fact. The examination of market capitalization conveys especially equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors, which most certainly is genuinely huge. As a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized to truly decide the for the most part generally position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which in a real sense is very huge. Changes in market capitalization in every way that really matters, positive or exceptionally negative all things considered, are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resources extremely potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both by and large short and really long-haul viewpoints, or so they thought. This truly specific kind of measurement in a real sense is likewise used to check the predominance of Cardano, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, in spite of mainstream thinking. To really decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we generally duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will be especially made sense of later by the by and large present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which basically shows that adjustments of market capitalization sort of certain or negative generally are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could in a real sense head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both essentially short and for the most part long-haul points of view, which especially is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano in a real sense remains at $20,665,357,728, which shapes the reason for sort of present pretty positioning truly was referenced before in a genuinely enormous manner. Yesterday, on January 10, ADA in a real sense had a market capitalization of $18,082,286,607 in an unpretentious manner. Keep going week, on January 4, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $19,709,415,758, exhibiting some extremely huge venture banks in any event and every practical sense. Get Cardano and really other digital currencies altogether to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration against a dashing expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. A month prior, on December 11, the market worth of Cardano explicitly was evaluated to be $19,440-620-053, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Absolute stock considers the quantity of coins that in a real sense have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, so this fundamentally specific most certainly metric basically is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. These digital currencies can fundamentally be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an especially significant manner. This genuinely metric likewise considers the coins that basically have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate, exhibiting how some fundamentally huge venture banks in any event, in every practical sense, secure Cardano and exceptionally other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors, which for the most part is very critical. At this point, the complete stock of Cardano generally is laid out at 36,528,237,976 ADA in a very significant manner. Finally, the circling supply in every practical sense is utilized to work out the market capitalization and for the most part, evaluate the coins especially current remaining in the positions in an unpretentious way. It indicates the general measure of ADA that really is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that essentially are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly by and large put, unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which especially is very critical. It's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that certainly have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million explicitly are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they in a real sense are generally truly liable to truly see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this point, Cardano explicitly has a coursing supply of 35,385,702,050 coins, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Over the truly beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA